Hi everyone, I'm Randall from Randall's ESL Cyber Listening Lab, and today I'd like to emphasize one of the skills that I've tried to develop over the years, especially in considering the importance of critical thinking skills in the development and contributions that we can make to the world with our own ideas and so forth. In the past, I focused mainly on listening, but I've really emphasized more speaking. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to over to listening activities. I'd like to go down to interviews. And in the interview section, I have all kinds of different activities that could be done. And what I want to do is I want to focus on one, phones in the classroom. And just like many of my other activities, I do have a pre-listening question to get students to think about the particular topic, vocabulary and expressions that come out of the topic. Then you'll actually watch the video, which actually, in this particular case with my daughter Aubrey, in which we talk about phones in the classroom, both benefits and drawbacks. After that, I do have comprehension questions that go along with it, the transcript, but probably the most important part for me is at the very end of conversation questions, usually at an intermediate or advanced level. And so if you look at the questions in the advanced level, for example, number one, analyze the different viewpoints expressed by Randall and Aubrey in the conversation. Number two, evaluate the argument made by Aubrey regarding the importance of allowing children to have smartphones. That really pushes students to think about really critically. They're thought-provoking questions and so forth. Number three, discuss the ethical considerations surrounding the use of smartphones in the classroom, considering both the potential benefits and drawbacks. Also, it talks about number four, reflect on the potential impact of smartphones on traditional modes of learning. And the last one is synthesize the ideas presented in the conversation and develop a well-reasoned argument either in favor of or against the use of smartphones in the classroom, and then support your argument with evidence and examples. So in my website, originally I was focusing simply on listening, but I really think that each of the lessons that I've created, you could extend that far beyond just the initial recording that you watch and go and dive into tools of argumentation. You could think about critical thinking. You can talk about logical fallacies. You can talk about so many other things that these questions can lead to classroom discussion, can lead to debate, can lead to really reshaping the way that we think about these topics. And each of the interviews that I've created have similar questions. So hopefully this will give you some ideas on how to use the content on my website, not just for listening, but expanding the content for the use of expanding rhetorical skills, discussion, debate, so that students can really be a part of our evolving world in so many different ways. Thank you.